Hi everyone, in this video we will divide by a decimal. Divide 8.19 divided by 0.13, or 8 and 19 hundredths divided by 13 hundredths. To set this up, we will have a long division sign, and the first number goes inside, and the second number goes on the outside as the divisor. And before we get started, we need to move this decimal place on the outside as close as possible to the division sign. So it's going to take 2 moves to get over to be right next to the division bar or long division sign. Because I moved my decimal over 2 place values on the outside, then I must also move it 2 place values on the inside. So I move it over 1, 2, and my new decimal place value on the inside is after the 9. Which means my answer will have the decimal exactly above the one on the inside. Now we'll go through and actually do the division. We'll look at our first digit of 8 being divided by 13 is not big enough, so we'll have to extend that and look at 81 divided by 13. Let's go ahead and try 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7, so we end up with 78. And we'll subtract. We'll need to borrow here, or ungroup from the 8, making this a 7, and giving a 10 to the 1, which makes it 11. 11 minus 8 is 3, and 7 minus 7 is 0, so we did pick the right number. Now we'll go ahead and bring down the next one, which is 9. 13 goes into 39. That one's kind of nice because they're all multiples of 3. 3 times 3 is 9. We already did this one, so we'll ignore it on this next one. 3 times 1 is 3. Subtract gives us 0. And the answer is a whole number of 63. A positive divided by a positive is positive, and we got all the way down to a 0, so there's no more remainders or anything else that needs to be brought down. So we're all done. And we can check this on our calculator if we'd like to by typing in 8.19 divide by .13, and we will end up getting 63 as well.